Determine pixel alpha value in Photoshop. I want to see alpha value for given pixel in Photoshop. Is it possible?
Roman Nurik provides the easy answer on Stack Overflow. Note that it's usually easier to select the layers you are interested in and copy them over to a new document with no background. Right-click on the layers in the Layer tab and pick Duplicate Layers, then choose New Document, then simply open the Info window, click F8. Click the down triangle in the top right of the window and choose Panel Options. In the drop-down for second color readout, choose Opacity for the mode. Now pick the eyedropper and hover over the image. You will see the color value and alpha value as a percent. To convert the percent to actual alpha value, multiply by 255 100ths. For example, a transparency of 80% is 80 times 255, 100 equals 204 in alpha. To convert 204, a decimal number, into regular alpha format, a hexadecimal number, use this tool, which for 204 gives CC. CC is 12 times 16 plus 12 equals 204, since A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12. So red with 80% alpha in edged format, like Android users, would be hashtag CCFF0000.
Well, until now I thought the color picker tool, keyboard shortcut I, would tell the alpha value, but it does not. It seems you need to use a workaround. Select the complete content of your layer you want to inspect by control-clicking the miniature in the Layers palette. Transparent areas will not be selected. Create a new alpha channel from your selection. Then, in the Channels palette, select your new channel. Now, select all, Ctrl-A, and invert the color values. If you now use the color picker, you get values from 0% to 100%, which reflect the transparency of your original layer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.